What is up, everybody? We're back with another video. Today we're installing a light bar on there, or I should say finishing up a light bar installment. I just want to say real quick before we get into this video, sorry about the not posting for like a month. I was just taking a break. I went on vacation to like St. Croix. I also have a vlog for that, but I haven't finished editing it yet, so you have to let me know if you guys want to see that. If you do, drop a comment section below. Okay, let's get on to this light bar install. Okay, we got Bryson today helping with that light bar install. Let's get to it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, as you probably already saw, you can see that light bar is already on there. Just use some brackets to install it. But we got the wiring harness right there. So we're gonna put that on. Okay, so we got the wiring harness right there on the ground, as you can probably see, and we're gonna run it up this right here. We're gonna probably have to go through the firewall. Is that right? Probably have to go through that grommet. Okay, so these wires right here have to go through like this area to go up the trim. So we're gonna try using a coat hanger, and Bryson's got the GoPro on, so yeah, let's get to it.
Chuki Beats.
Well, my friend just left, but look at this. Got the wire through. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, but we got the wire through. That was a pain that took a little while. Now we just have to run it up this seal right here and connect to this. But we're gonna have to solder that, then tuck it into the weather seal. I'll catch up to you in a little bit. Well, hopefully you can see me okay, but as you can see right here, we finished up this right here. I got it all sealed up. Okay, so it's the next day. As you can see here, we're gonna finish installing the light bar and stuff. Well, I guess finish the wiring. But anyway, dang it, where did I put it? Okay, right here. The switch for the light bar. We're gonna put the blank one right here. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, that's going right there. And we're gonna have to run the rest of this wire somewhere along there, probably along that I don't know what that is. This right here though. And as you can see, we just kind of ran the wire along the seal right here. I'm not sure if I want to tape it down or what yet, but I'm going to focus on getting this wire through the firewall right now. So let's get on to getting that wire through the firewall. This is going to be fun. Did it in the truck. Didn't like it very much. Kind of a pain, but it is what it is. Okay guys, see you in a minute. Okay, so I got the wire through here. That works just fine. Now you gotta mount it here. So let's get on to it. Well, I finally got a switch installed, guys. She didn't do anything. Anyway, yeah, right here, got the switch installed. As you can see, the light bar's working nicely. What? Okay, let's get back to grinding on the other side. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we gotta secure this wire right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Chuki Beats.
Well, as you saw, we secured the wire right here. Hopefully you can see it. We secured it along the rail right here. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I really don't feel like messing with that today. So we're just gonna leave it how it is right now. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Switching everything, got that in place. You can see, I already showed you before. I might do a nighttime test later just to show you guys that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video so far. It might have been jumpy, I don't know. Well, see you in a little bit.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. I also did some upgrades to the vehicle. I did not cover that in the video, I don't believe. So make sure drop a comment in the comment section below if I should make a video on all the upgrades I did. You'll have to let me know, but thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.